We're doing problem 3, although it says example 3 on the worksheet, it should say problem 3 on section 3.4. So I've drawn the graph to the best that I can. I think it's pretty close. So remember from the example, what we want to do here is decide where this thing is not differentiable. So if we recall, where does a function fail to be differentiable? 3 things. So the first one was the function is not continuous. If it's not continuous, it's not differentiable. The second one was if it has a sharp corner in it. And the third one was if it has a vertical tangent line. So let's just go from left to right and see what we've got here. Right there, if we notice, if I were to draw a tangent line right there, it would be vertical. That's at -3. So at x equals -3. And that's because we've got the vertical tangent line. OK, then again, we've got a discontinuity here. The graph jumps at x equals -1. So at x equals -1, we have a place where it's not differentiable. And at 0, we see we have, if you kind of look at the graph here, the arrows just go down forever. That means that this y-axis is actually a vertical asymptote, so it would not be defined there. So at x equals 0, we have a discontinuity, and therefore we have a place where it's not differentiable. So for the reasons here, again, this is a vertical tangent line. For the second reason, we had a discontinuity. And then again, for the third reason, or for the third place at x equals 0, another discontinuity. So I'll just do that. And then at x equals 2, another discontinuity. That's a hole in the graph. So same reason here, again, although this one we had a jump discontinuity. The first one was, or the other one was a vertical, was an asymptote, and then a hole in the graph is also a discontinuity. At x equals 3, you see what's happening there. That's a sharp point, so not differentiable there. And then again at x equals 5, we have another sharp point. So it's not differentiable there either. And I believe that's all of them. So we've got the vertical tangent line, discontinuity, which means not differentiable, another discontinuity, which means not differentiable, yet another one, discontinuity, and then a sharp point, another sharp point. All those places the function will not be differentiable.